In this video, I'll go through how to handle a repeating visit that is unpaid and you wish to place them on a pause or a skip. So first of all, come up to your settings cog and into visits, and we'll create a custom tag. I've gone ahead and created a custom tag here called Not Paid and marked it in bright red. So to add a custom tag, simply add a visit tag and you'll be able to create that tag. Now, using that tag, come back into the schedule. Let's say my property here at Valley Drive is unpaid. I'm going to edit this repeating series and I'm going to add the custom tag, Not Paid, and update, and that will appear on all future visits as this is a repeating series. So if we have a look here, it's a repeating visit every 2 weeks. If I expand on what the tags mean here in my little drop-down menu, I've got invoices not paid, so we can skip until paid and close. So as this visit approaches, I can check to see if they've paid. If they haven't paid, I then could skip this visit, click on the visit, click on the 3 dots, and let's skip this visit. They'll still be in the schedule for the visits after, and we can reassess. So if I scroll ahead, we can see that they're still in the schedule for December. And if they have paid, I could simply come into their visit, click edit, and remove their not paid if they have paid, and continue on with service as normal. Let me know what you think of this idea. Thanks for watching.